are you? I wanted to just come on here and give you a quick little tutorial on ways you can modify moves, especially if you're just starting out training with me, or if you're just starting to work out more regularly, more consistently. Feel free to take these modifications, especially during my barre class when the focus is on endurance. And if you haven't built up the endurance yet, there's no shame in that. That's how we grow, right? So feel free to take these as modifications and ways to drop it down a notch while you build up the endurance, all right? So the first one will be plank. So you're setting yourself up. Wrists are right underneath shoulders, belly's pulled in and up. Quads are strong, glutes are strong, right? So you're here for a while. If you need to drop it down, you can come right to your knees. Still keep your abs pulled in and your glutes strong, and try to avoid this because this is not a modified plank, okay? So here, you're still feeling that core engagement, strong shoulders, all of that, okay? So that would be your first modification. Then for side plank, if we're on our hand here, you can feel free to drop the knee, just like that. And you can do everything from there. You can pulse up, you can bring your arm here, all that fun stuff, okay? So forearms, similar idea. You can just come down to your knees. Just make sure booty's not up here. So you're here. And then for side plank, on your forearm, it's the same idea. So you just bend the knee, the bottom knee. Okay, so that's for plank. Those would be your modifications. And then for any of the ab work that we do, especially when you're in C-curve shape with your spine. So if we're here, we have the weights, right? If you're not quite there yet with the weights, you can drop the weights. You can put your hands right underneath your thighs, tuck your chin towards your chest, and start from here. So this is a great, perfect modification. If that still feels a little too intense, you can have your ball right behind you as we do those moves. Okay? All right, so I hope you found that helpful. The last thing I wanted to share is that when we do our isolated arms with the weights, I'm using 3-pound weights, and it's a long period of time. I would rather you drop the weights and keep your arms up so that you can build the endurance. All right? If you have any specific questions on anything that I have not covered, please feel free to send me a message and I will create a video just for that. I'm so grateful for you. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.